ayaw ko dito is that hindi pumasok yung dalawang free throw.
Yun na nga.
Pa lang. And they give up another easy basket.
No dribble penetrations.
Santos loses the handle. And ang laki pala ng lineup nitong Cebu, no? Sinubukan nila. Meneses at the 2.
I think there was one game that we also covered na ganun eh. And Kent. At saka si CJ. There was a time that they used CJ also. Kaya kapag tinignan mo itong lineup ng Cebu, halos lahat ng positions ano rin eh.
This is a type of player who no frills, no nonsense. Just works.
Yeah.
Wag mong rekrutin sa kumpanya mo, ha?
Hindi. Sinasabi
okay,
ko lang.
Baka rekrutin mo sa kumpanya.
Bihira kasi ang player na IT grad.
Akala mo. Okay,
management. You know. So at least I know of 2 players that's in the engineering course.
Field, okay.
The other one was JJ Pido.
JJ Pido?
Wala.
Hindi na pagplanuhan.
Okay.
Pero alam mo naman si Com Emmer, ano yan, lagi niyang, it's always, the outfits are always well thought out. Alam mo naman yun.
Alam mo minsan sa mga sapatos, yung iba, nagugustuhan ko yung itsura pero hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Alam ko lang, Jordan yan, di ba?
Hindi nila makikita yan.
Hindi nila makikita.
Arminion for 3. Yes! Talagang parang na-enjoy niya yung
moment na yun, no?
Forma mong ganon.
Oh my. And so he said, try it, Dad. It's comfortable. And so me being the loving dad that I am, did. Parang halos 8 minuto na naman tayo naglalaro. Pero 5 points pa lang ang pinapakita nitong Parañaque.
Minsan peeve ko rin, alam mo yung peeve ko rin pag nagko-cover minsan, is that when a team is trailing big and the entire bench keeps looking at the score.
Okay.
And not the problem on the floor.
Yes. Agree. Oh, wow. Ang ball got stolen like a candy out of the hands of Yusei Koga. Kesalem again.
Shot time. Dennison from the corner.